Hi, I'm Skylar, and today I'm going to go over some of the very basic features of how to use your new iPhone. Let's take a look at the outside first. On the top of the phone, you have your sleep-wake button. This turns the screen on and off. Next to that, you've got your headphone jack, volume up, volume down, and most importantly, your silence switch. So if I switch it down so that it shows orange, that means that the phone is only going to vibrate. If I switch it up so that it shows silver, it means that the phone is going to make noise when someone calls me, sends me a text, or email. A microphone, a speaker, and the 30-pin connector. The most important button on your iPhone is right here. It's called the Home button. And you'll notice that the rounded square in the center of the Home button is the same exact shape as an application. So what I'm going to do is press my Home button and slide to unlock. From there, I'm at my home screen. What I would like to help you to do is go out and find the user guide, because that's going to be way more informative than anything I can show you right now. It's going to answer all of your basic questions and then some. It will also give you a really good idea of where to go in order to get more information. All right? So let's go to the App Store. I've hidden mine away in a folder. Obviously, you can customize the screen, and that's one of the things you'll learn how to do in the user guide. Tap App Store. Tap on the application to open it. Take a look at the description if you want to, read reviews if you're interested, and then in the upper right you'll see Install App. Tap that, enter your Apple ID and password, and then iBooks will load. So this is what iBooks looks like. It's pretty straightforward. It's a bookshelf. I've got a bunch of stuff stored on there. If I tap Store and then tap Search, I'm going to type in iPhone. iPhone User Guide appears at the very top of the screen because it knows that lots of people are searching for it. So tap iPhone User Guide, and there it is, iPhone User Guide for iOS 6. Tap on it, and here we go, details, reviews, all that good stuff. I tap Free, Get Book. The download begins. I type in my password. Once your user guide is downloaded, tap on it to open it. And there we go. This is iBooks. It's actually what it looks like when you read a book on an iPhone. And then you can actually just turn the pages. On the front here, the first page, you see iPhone Overview. It shows you what all the stuff is and how to use it. And I can keep swiping along in order to see all the accessories it came with, yada, yada, yada. If I've got a specific question, which you probably do, here's the easiest way to get to it. Tap once in the middle of the page. Tap these three lines in the upper left. This is your table of contents. And this shows you all of the details about how to use the phone. If I tap Resume, there's also a magnifying glass in the upper right. If I tap that magnifying glass, I can search for anything I want to. So if I tap Camera, it searches the text and gives me all of the pages where the reference to camera appears. That'll get you started. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.